Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. Children, I am Shalini Malhotra. We have already studied about the adjectives and its kinds. Today, students, we will study about the degree of comparison in adjectives. Let us see. Adjectives, its degree of comparison. Adjective, as children, we already know, it tells about the noun or a pronoun. It qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Every adjective has 3 degrees of comparison. Number 1 is positive degree, which tells about the quality of a person or a thing in a very simple way. Yes, it is telling about the quality of person, place or a thing when we are talking very simply, like Gaurav is a brave soldier. In a very simple way, this sentence is telling about Gaurav. He is a brave soldier in a positive manner. This lady is very fat. Telling about the lady, about the quality of lady, she is fat, but in a very simple form. Suman is a good girl. What type of girl is Suman? She is a good girl. Telling about Suman in a simple manner. Number 2 is comparative degree. This degree is used to compare between two persons. When we are comparing between two persons, that degree of adjective is called as comparative degree. For example, Sita is smaller than Deepa. Here we see it is a comparison between two girls. So it is called comparative degree. She is smaller than Deepa. Leena is more beautiful than Meena. Again there is a comparison between Leena and Meena. Superlative degree, as the name suggests, it is supermost. This degree is used to compare more than two persons, things or places. It is used in comparison of among many things, not between the two, more than two. It shows the highest degree of quality. The highest degree of quality it is showing. For example, cheetah is the fastest land animal. Among the fastest of all, cheetah is the fastest of all the land animals. This is the comparison between many animals. Whale is the heaviest animal on the earth. Whale is the heaviest of all the animals on the earth. It is a comparison among so many animals of the earth. So this is superlative degree. How we can make comparative and superlative degree? Now we will see how we can make the comparative and superlative degree from the positive degree. Most of the adjectives form comparative degree by adding er, and in superlative degree adding est. Positive, in when we add er to the adjective, it becomes comparative, and est it becomes superlative. For example, long, longer, we have added er in comparative. Longest. Poor, poorer, again we have added er to the positive degree. est, superlative. This is the comparison between among more than two. This is the comparison between two. Small, this is simple. Smaller, it is a comparison between two. Superlative is smallest, addition of est. Most of the positive degrees ends with e. Only r is added to form comparative. In most of the positive degree or adjective in the simple form, we have to add only r and only st to make it superlative. Like large, only we have added r to large, larger, and only we have added st, and it has become superlative. Brave, again we have added only r, braver, bravest, st. Fine, finer, only we have added r to make it comparative. st to make it superlative, finest. Now, most of the positive degree ends with y and has a consonant before it. Y changes to I and ER and EST are added. Y changes to I or ER in comparative and EST in superlative. Like we can see, most of the words which ends with the Y and they have a consonant. Children, you know vowels. The letters other than the vowels are called the consonants. So before this we have a consonant Z. After this Y is again replaced by EIER, lazier, I. ER is again there, lazier and laziest, EST. ER and EST. Ugly, again Y is replaced by I and ER, EST. Uglier, ugliest. Gloomy, gloomier. Y is replaced by I and ER to the end of the degree, comparative degree, and EST in superlative. Again, last letter of PD, that is positive degree, is doubled and ER and EST are added. In the last letter of this simple form of positive degree, this last letter is doubled. Like fat, we will have 2T, F-A-T-T. Last letter has become twice, double T-E-R. Fat, fatter, fattest. ER again in comparative and EST in superlative. Thin, again last letter is N. It is doubled, thinner and thinnest, EST. Some of the comparative degree and superlative degree are formed by adding more and most before the word, before this positive degree. Let us see. Handsome. To this word, to this positive degree, in comparative we will write more handsome, and in superlative, when we are comparing among so many, most handsome. This is the comparison between two, as I have already told you. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. The word more and most are added before the positive degree, before this word. Some adjectives do not follow any rule to make their comparative degree and superlative degree. Some of the adjectives are there, they don't have any rule to make it comparative and superlative. Like, for example, far, farther, farthest. There is no rule. It has become THER, THEST. Much, more, comparison between two, most. Good, better, best. They do not follow any rule to make it comparative or superlative. So children, I hope you have understood this degree of comparison in adjectives. Go through this video and just understand it, children. And thanks to you for watching this video. Have a nice day, children.